guys, welcome back. For everyone who's watching me for the first time, hey, my name is Anmol and this is my channel Allaboutanmol. Today's video is about my makeup collection and my favorite go-to makeup look. It's all drugstore brands and I love everything that I have in my vanity because it gives me whatever I need to experiment and create the looks that I want to, and that happens without burning a hole in my pocket. So everything's really affordable, everything's very nice, and I absolutely love it. So let's start the video and take a trip of my collection. Oh, just one last thing. I have a very special news to share with you guys. So please watch the video till the end to find out what it is.
So this is my primer that I use. It's from Maybelline New York and it's called the Master Prime Primer. That's my foundation from Maybelline New York again. I am shade 128 Warm Nude. It suits my skin perfectly. That's my concealer from Maybelline. It's their Age Rewind. And I use the shade Sand. This is one of the eyebrow pencils that I have. It's the Fashion Brow Duo Shaper from Maybelline New York. It has a pencil on one side and kind of a smudger on the other side. And this is the second eyebrow pencil that I have. It's my current favorite. It's from Miss Claire and the shade is dark brown. The brush makes it super easy to form the shape. That's my loose powder from Maybelline New York. I use the shade Light. And that's my contour stick from K-Beauty in the shade Caramel Focus. This is the blush that I use. It's from Maybelline New York in the shade Next to Nude. And this is the second blush that I have. It's again from Maybelline in the shade Afterglow. And this is my holy grail highlighter from Maybelline. It's the Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. And the golden glow that it gives, it looks beautiful. This is one of my eyeshadow palettes from Maybelline New York. The palette's name is Fifth Avenue Sunset. These are the swatches. This is the second palette that I have. It's again from Maybelline New York and the palette name is Urban Jungle. And the shades look like this. This is the third and last palette that I have right now. It's the Changeable Fantasy. I got it from an Instagram store. I'll give their handle in the description box. It's kind of like a dupe of James Charles palette with Morph. So I should definitely say like the pigmentation is not very good for the brighter colors like pink and yellow and green. But then the other shades are really good. This is my eyeshadow stick from L'Oreal Paris and it's the shade Royal Graphite. It comes with a brush on the other side to just smudge the eyeshadow. This is the other shade that I have. It's the same one from L'Oreal Paris. The shade is Top Lady. It also comes with a brush on the other side to just smudge the eyeshadow if you want to do it. It's their Stylo Smoky Eyeshadow series. That's the ever favorite Maybelline Colossal Kajal in Super Black. Another Kajal that I have is the Blackmail Iconic Kajal. I think everybody has Maybelline and Blackmail Kajals in their vanity. So this is another eye pencil that I have. It's from PAC and the shade is Skin Shade. This also comes with a smudger in case you want to smudge it. So yeah, that's good. This is an eye pencil that I got. It's from Color Bar and the shade is Blue Topaz. These two are another eye pencils that I have from the brand LA Girl. This is their Shockwave Neon Eyeliner pencils. The color is amazing. The black one in this is my favorite, and I always use this one as a kajal. So yeah, I mean, just look at the color. It's totally matte. So this is the Magical Double Duty Eyeliner and Eyeshadow from Color Bar in the shade Magical Gold. It can be used as an eyeliner as well as an eyeshadow. And that's my new eyeshadow stick from K Beauty in the shade Navigator. This is from Wet n Wild. It's the glitter eyeshadow, and yeah, the color is amazing. This is a liquid glitter eyeshadow from Swiss Beauty and the shade is 02. This is one more shade that I have from the same Swiss Beauty liquid eyeshadow and the shade is 05. The third one that I have from Swiss Beauty, the shade is 06 and I find this one perfect to create a sparkly smoky eye. This is the gel eyeliner from Maybelline New York in the shade Blackest Black. And that's the liquid eyeliner that I use from Color Bar in the shade black. It gives a beautiful matte finish and it's totally smudge proof. This is the mascara that I use. It's from Maybelline New York and it's the Total Temptation mascara in black. These are two pairs of eyelashes that I have from Rufa Beauty. One is the style Alia, another one is Nora. These are all the makeup brushes that I have. It includes the brushes that I use for my face and for my eyes. This is the eyelash applicator that I got from Miniso. That's my eyelash glue from Rufa Beauty. These are all the lipsticks that I have. I have three beauty blenders. This is the first one and it's from Nykaa. This is the second one and it's from PAC. And this is the last one. It's from Calabar.
So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. That is my favorite go-to makeup look. Doesn't matter what color outfit I'm wearing, and doesn't matter how many looks that I plan in my head, I always end up doing this look. So yeah, that's my absolute favorite one. Without any delay, let me share the news that I've been wanting to share with you guys for the longest time since the day I started planning it. I am doing a giveaway! Yay! Steps to participate are in the description box. Everything that's gonna be in the giveaway is just coming. If you have any further questions about the giveaway, or if you have any confusions, feel free to drop in a comment and I'll get back to you. Or you can also just DM me on Instagram and I'll explain it to you. The results of the giveaway would be announced on the 29th of August, so you guys have time to participate in the giveaway until then. All the products that I used to create this look, I have given everything, like every detail in the description box. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, share with your friends and family, and leave a comment down below. Press the bell icon to be notified for the upcoming videos. If you're new to my channel and you end up liking my videos, please subscribe. Follow me on Instagram if you want to. The ID is in the description box. So that's all for today, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, stay safe, take care. Bye.